Hey, what's up folks, how's it going? This is Waj. Hope you guys are all doing well, and today we're going to be talking about portable SSD storage. Now, in the past, if you wanted a high capacity external hard drive, you had to go with a mechanical one, which is slow, clunky, and sometimes requires an external power source. Now, thankfully, these days, the pricing of SSD external drives is becoming more and more competitive, and thanks to stuff like this, the WD My Passport drive, you can get capacities up to 2 terabytes with something that's about half the size of your average day smartphone. Furthermore, since we're looking at an NVMe drive, you're looking at read and write speeds over 1,000 megabytes a second, and it interfaces and is powered through one connection, USB-C. In the box, you'll also find a cross-compatible USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A connection, which you can use to connect the drive to virtually any type of computer that uses a standard USB connection. Of course, as USB-C becomes more and more ubiquitous across all devices out there, I'm actually using this drive for backing up as well as expanding my storage on the new iPad Air, which works flawlessly with this drive, as well as expanding the storage on my Note 20 Ultra. And I can go back and forth between all different types of machines running on different operating systems, and as long as I have the drive formatted correctly, I'll avoid running into any compatibility issues. For most of the time, I have the drive formatted in FAT32, which allows for relatively fast transfer speeds and is highly compatible across all different operating systems. Now, on the top portion of the drive, we actually have a metal cover that comes in 4 different color combinations, including this gray metallic finish, as well as gold, red, and blue. And since there's no moving parts like a traditional mechanical drive, it's also fairly resistant to shock and vibration, and you can drop it up to 6.5 feet without any major damage to your storage inside. Furthermore, if you're going to be storing some confidential or sensitive information, you can password protect the drive using an AES hardware encryption. Beyond that, WD supplies a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, and overall, if you're looking for a fast, portable, expandable storage solutions for really anything out there, whether it be your smartphone, PC, laptop, tablet, I think this is probably one of the portable SSDs you definitely want to take a serious look at. Take a look at the description down below where you find more details about updated pricing, about all the different capacities, which by the way are 500, 1 terabyte that we have over here, and 2 terabyte configuration. I want to thank Western Digital for making this content possible, for supporting the channel. We're going to be using this drive on our upcoming coverage for the 2020 version of the MacBook Air. Big thank you to you guys again for making this all possible. Give us a thumbs up if you haven't done so already, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you real soon again. Take care.